Hello, thank you for coming back. If it's your first time, if it's not your first time, then I just want to say welcome. So I'm coming back with another lace front unit. This one is a human hair one. It's by Ashimary, and it comes in this really nice bag. And it looks like this. It's by Ashimary here. It has the Invisi strap. Snug fit 360 HD transparent lace wig with bleach knots, 180 density, a water wave, and it's 24 inches. It also comes with a whole bunch of goodies. Look at the hairline. I think it looks pretty good. Doesn't it look good to you? I'm talking to you.
Oh yeah. It looks really good.
Right? I don't need to do nothing to it, do I? Right?
Can I see the part?
It's a free part right here. It has an elastic band, an adjustable one. It has the Invisi strap. This is some new high-tech stuff. It also has a comb in the back. Okay, so you can supposedly you can, well, because it's 360 lace, supposedly you can do an updo and it'll use the Invisi strap without having to glue it down on the back. So that's what that's about. So we'll see how good that works. I don't know. Sounds a little too good to be true, to be honest. But we'll find out. Okay, so the lace is the lace. I don't know. I might need it. Oh, it's alright. It's pretty good for me. Anyway, let me show you what's in the bag. A comb. Okay. HD wig cap. These are some new ones. They're new style. Supposedly it doesn't have that band that shows the mark of demarcation or whatever the hell you call it. And then some lashes. I think I might wear them. They're not curly enough for me, but I'll make them work. And then I got this headband. And there's one more thing in here. Let's see what it is. Ooh. A razor. Awesome. I've never got one of these in the bag before. Anyway, it also comes with like a little package of instructions and all this type of stuff. Anyway, so if you like this video and want to see more, go ahead and subscribe. That way you'll know when I post new ones. And let me show you this one more time. See how long it is. Okay, so subscribe and give me a thumbs up, give me some comments. So now I'm back with the install. I like it. I like it a lot. A lot, a lot. Great job, Ashimary. So the hair's not shedding. I can run my fingers right through it. I don't want to comb it too much, take away the curls. However, I can because it's human, but I just don't want to for this style. The part looks natural. I think I'm gonna put a little bit of powder in it. All right, thank you for watching. See you next time.